Hi guys, good morning. This is Sport F150. The problem is transmission problems, and we remove the old one and we need to install the second hand one, another one. So we already removed and we bought another one already. We have this one. This is the old one, which one the problematic one, and this is another one, the one we bought for this one. So now we need to remove this transfer case and install to this gear, and after that we need to check how is the conditions. This is the converter, clutch converter, and that one is the old one. So let's see further. I'll remove this one. I want to install another one. Okay, so for removing this, you need to open this bolt, this one, and you, for example, you will see the seal. If the seal is leaked, so you need to install. If not leak, then no need to put another one. What I prefer that always can put the new seal as better, but we don't know whether this gear is working or not. So because of that, we don't want to spend much money if the thing is okay. So this is the situations, and this is the gear, and this is the thing. Okay, once I remove and put another transfer case, I'll come back to you. So all the bolt I remove. Okay, and now I will go and see. But unfortunately I am alone, doesn't have another person to help me, so I will close the video and open this. So this is the gear I remove already, this one, and now this one I will install in that one. So now put this to another gear, the transfer case. My 1% is very hard to do also video and also to do the job, but actually I show that this is the thing that we do. Okay, and once we install to the car, then I will make another videos. Well, this is the thing. Okay, so I close back, tie it properly, and now I will go put in the car. This is the place, this is the situations, and this is the gear. 2 bolts in the top available, if you see here, and the rest in the side available, and that one is the starter. This is the exhaust, so you must need to remove the exhaust, and also this transfer case shocked, starter, like these things. This is the situation, and they have in the converter only 4 bolts available, only 4 on the converter. So this is the final thing we need to install now. Okay.